Hello, everyone, and thank you for tuning in. Today, we're going to be looking at Chainlink and its valuations against Bitcoin. Remember, if you do like this video and the other videos that I make on this channel, be sure to hit the like button down below and also consider subscribing. Uh, well, uh, Ever since I would say the end of January of 2021, we haven't had Chainlink do this in quite a while, and that is a bounce off the 20-day moving average. Now, the 20-day moving average for Chainlink isn't necessarily a end all be all moving average. I mean, as you can see during the run, we did go below it, but we were able to come back above it in short fashion. This one, however, you could see here, we didn't really make any decisive moves above the 20-day moving average for 130 days for that drop. And from here, it's been about 60 days since we were able to get back above the 20-day moving average and stay above it. And you can see here that there are multiple attempts. There's an attempt here, an attempt here. And you could say that this move here is just riding right below it. But today we see a move of almost 5% rally with Chainlink against Bitcoin, and yesterday was a drop. We dropped 7%. Basically eviscerating all the gains that we made on the previous day of April 2nd. What this green candle shows is that I think they're showing growing confidence in the asset once again, and we might see this as a turnaround. This isn't guaranteed. We can come back straight down and break the 20-day, but this is the step in the right direction, I think, for Chainlink. When we see it bounce above the 20-day moving average and hopefully stay above it, and eventually we can start discussing how Chainlink is going to get over the 20-week moving average, which in all aspects is not that far. The 20-week moving average right now is at 59,418 sats. So uh, we can flip it to the daily and kind of see where that is, and that's oh, sorry, and that is around, sorry, it's around here at 59,000 here. So that line is pretty realistic in my view. We're from where we are now, we're roughly about 10% away from that moving average. Now, because Chainlink has been on a downtrend thus far, we can assume, and it's pretty likely, that the moving average is going to continue to go down, making it easier and easier of a possibility to think about how Chainlink is going to get above it. So that is kind of like what I'm looking at right now. It's nothing to get excited about just yet, but it's nice to see that Chainlink, for once, is being a little bullish. Hopefully, we'll be able to get back above the 20-week moving average. Obviously, the last time we tried to do it, we got rejected in the month of January, where we saw this pretty impressive run by Chainlink itself. From the candle body to candle body, it was an 85% move. However, from this bottom to where the 20-week moving average is, it's only a 23% move. So again, with the lower the 20-week moving average is, the better of a possibility and easier chance for Chainlink to get it back above the 20-week moving average. And when we do, we all know what happens when Chainlink is above the 20-week moving average. It does very well. You could see its entire lifespan. When it's above the 20-week moving average, it's very bullish over the course of its market cycle. And that's what kind of I'm looking forward to once we get it back above it. Um, I still hold the majority of my Chainlink. I think I sold a bit back in January, but that was about maybe 5% of my entire position of Chainlink. So I still hold 95% of my position, and I'm not looking to sell it anytime soon. Let alone sell it when it's below the 20-week moving average. Is probably the worst time to sell it. If you are looking to make sure to, and this is not financial advice, but remember that Chainlink is at its best when it's above its 20-week moving average, and so selling it now doesn't make too much sense, uh, and especially if you're selling at a loss. If Bitcoin stays at this level, stays at around $58,000. We did see a rejection from 60,000, so to speak, and we're back at the 20-day moving average, and we made a bounce. Um, we're struggling to get back to get above the local high or the all-time high, so to speak, which is right here. If Bitcoin's able to just kind of stay lackadaisical like this, we'll see the Bitcoin dominance continue to drop as it has been today and for the past week. And we're getting to the point where we're crossing the last stop, I guess, the last kind of support region for Bitcoin dominance, making me very, very bullish that Chainlink is actually going to break above the 20-week moving average this time. So that is something that's quite exciting for me and something that I'm looking forward to. But that's pretty much it for today, you guys. We'll have a better idea, in the coming weeks on what Chainlink might do. Looks that we're going to end the week on a green note at up. We're 12% up for the week, which is pretty good, and hopefully we'll see some kind of reversal for Chainlink in the coming weeks. But that's all for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.